Hi, in this video we'll talk about the new call to test feature in Zephyr, which empowers users the ability to insert one test case into another to save time and to maintain consistency. The call to test feature has been a popular item on our Zephyr feature request board. So for those who have voted for it, thank you very much. It is now available in Zephyr 8.0.1 and onwards. You can use existing tests. You can create your own repository or use existing repositories. And you can use call to test within any test as well. So it's very, very flexible in how we want to use this. In this example, I'm going to take the processing of a credit card step and reuse that in my workflow. I just select call to test, select my desired test case from a repository, link that test case ID into the test, and that's it. I can go ahead and do the same for another action, and this will be logging out of my application. When using call to test, what's critical here is we have full control on versioning and data integrity as we make changes to test cases and call to test tests. And we manage that quite well. If you make a change to a call to test item that's already included in a test case that's been planned or executed, we will create a new version for that item. Testers have control then to accept the latest version into a test case or to use the old version. So that's a quick synopsis of our new feature call to test in Zephyr Enterprise. If you haven't already, be sure to book in an upgrade with our Zephyr Ops team.